Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, I got a brand spanking new recipe hot off the internet. So new that I just found it today, ran to the grocery store and bought all the ingredients that you need to do it. It's called a meatball sub casserole. Sounded really good. So, like I said, went to the grocery store, bought everything we needed, and I'm going to cook it for y'all. So, let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, first thing you need to do to start, get some frozen garlic bread. Split it open, if I can. There it is. Now we'll bake this like you normally bake the garlic bread. This one calls cook at 350 for 10 minutes, or 7 minutes, I'm sorry. But that's going to be the basis of our casserole there. So I'm going to get that in the oven, get it baked up, and then we'll move on to the next step. Alright y'all, next part of this recipe, after you get your garlic bread in the oven and bacon, is get you some meatballs. You can use pre-made ones, you can make your own, but you just need to make them up like you're going to be making spaghetti or whatever. So dump your sauce over it. Now I'm going to get a little water, rinse this out. Get all that goodness out of that jar. And you can use your homemade spaghetti sauce or store-bought like mine. So just put that on low, and you want to warm them meatballs up and get them ready to make our casserole. So I'm going to throw a lid on it, and we're going to put that on kind of a medium-low until it starts boobing a little bit. Then we'll drop her down to low and just let them simmer until they're warmed through. So I'm going to work on that, and we'll bring y'all back as soon as that all gets done. Alright y'all, got the meatballs all warmed up. Our garlic bread's done. Next thing we got to do is we got to rip this up into little bite-sized pieces and throw it into this 9x13 baking dish. I did spray that with non-stick cooking spray, just because that's how I wanted to do it. Didn't say to do it in the recipe, but you know, get these down in some nice bite-sized pieces there. Now you could cut it up if you want it, but I think tearing it up a little funner. Hey now, does that one try to escape? I didn't want to be part of this yumminess. Well, too bad. It's part of it. I'm excited about this recipe, y'all. Alright, come down to the stretch here. Alright, got that. Get that paint out of our way. Bring our meaty balls over here a little closer. And we're just going to take all them meaty balls and basically cover this thing. So try to evenly distribute them. Now I don't know if this is gonna make this garlic bread soggy or anything like that, but hey, it still sounds good. So alright. Getting down there, getting them in, yum yum. Just want them in a single layer. Another one down there. A couple more up there. Alright. Now, just take our sauce here and drizzle it over the top. Get all that goodness out of there. Yum, 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 yum. Alright. A little bit more along that side. Alright. Got that. Now, I'm going to give it a little shake here. Alright. Now, we're going to put a layer of cheese on top of there. I'm going to grab the cheese out of the fridge and put that layer of cheese on there. So I'm using an Italian blend. It's got, let's see, finely shredded, low moisture, part skim mozzarella, hot or not smoked provolone, okay, Parmesan, Romano, and Asiago cheeses. So we want to put a good layer of cheese on top of that. So now the original recipe just called for mozzarella and provolone, but I like this blend a lot better. I think it tastes a lot better. So you can put as little or as much cheese as you want on yours. I'm using the whole 12-ounce bag myself, so because it's got to be cheesy to go down easy. Alright, got that. That looks awesome. Now we're going to bake it in the oven for about 20 minutes at 350. I left my oven on from doing my garlic bread, so I'm going to pop that in there, and when she's done, we'll bring y'all back. Alright y'all, got this hot out the oven. We're going to dish a little bit up here and see if we can't do a little taste testing here. Ooh, that's cheesy goodness. Alright, I think we got plenty there. Ooh, hot, hot. So, alright. Y'all, it smells delicious. Smells awesome. So, get the can to turn around here and we'll do the taste test. Alright y'all, we're going to start out with our beverage of the day. What we got today, a little A&W cream soda. It's at the grocery store. Sounded good. I like cream soda, so ooh yeah, it's going to go nice with that sub casserole. Anyways, we got our sub casserole here, meatball sub casserole. I'm going to start out with a little bit of that garlic bread and cheese, and she's still pretty hot. That's pretty good. Got a meatball here now. I think that's a winner, y'all. That's pretty good stuff. I think next time if I make it, I'm gonna add some mushrooms and some onions to it. Because like I'm on meatball subs, I always get mushrooms and onions on it, so it's awesome stuff. So anyways, hope you all enjoyed it. Hope you're gonna try it. Appreciate y'all hanging out to the end of the video here, and you know, leave me a comment down below. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. You'll get all the notifications, everything we do here, either here in the kitchen, out in the garage, or at the tractor pulls, or wherever else we happen to maybe be doing something. So appreciate y'all, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. Bear appetit.